So, hey guys, recently had an issue with my iPod where it would not turn on. That's happened to me about 3 times, but the first 2 times it happened, my home button was still working. Now my home button doesn't work anymore, so I panicked because obviously the normal way to fix that, if your iPod just turns off and it doesn't turn on anymore and it has battery in it, you just hold down the home button and the power button at the same time as if you're taking a screenshot, except you hold them down for about 10 seconds. But now that my home button doesn't work, I have a fix for it. All you have to do, by the way, this is foolproof, you don't have to fix anything, you don't have to take it apart. It's very simple. I'm surprised no one's discovered it yet. All you have to do is set it somewhere, forget about it, do something else for it depends on how much battery you have. Maybe it can be up to a week. But just check every day, hold down just the power button, check to see if the battery symbol comes up. If it doesn't come up, that means you're still not out of battery. The goal is to wait till it runs itself out of battery. And then, so once you hold down the power button, make sure before you charge it, it's completely out of battery. You know that by holding down the power button for about 5 seconds, and then it'll show a symbol that says plug in. If that happens, you know it's out of battery, and then you can charge it up again. Once you charge it up, you can use it again. That's how to fix the black screen not turning on for the iPod Touch, even if your home button's broken. Thanks for watching. Bye! I hope this helped.